Hello. I'm Annushree, an international student here at the University of Surrey, and today I'm taking you with me on a little campus tour of this beautiful university and a typical day in my life learning at this beautiful university that offers world-class experience. The best part about this university is that stagecoach buses run right through it. So if you're running late for the lectures, you don't have to worry. Lecture room theaters is the place where magic happens. Professors are so friendly and nice. Center for Wellbeing is the place for any mental health support. You can walk in and they give you support. Then I love this place called mySurreyDot, which is a student space where you can sit, chill, keep meetings with your friends and talk to them. Then we have this modern nest where you can relax, play with your friends, sit, talk. They have locker rooms, they have multiple facilities, they have Wi-Fi. And just so you know, you are enough. Then we went to the mySurrey Hive. mySurrey Hive is one-stop solution center for all student problems. They have academic support units, they have well-being support units, they basically provide you end-to-end solution of every problem that you're facing at the university. I grabbed my quick lunch at the co-op where I usually take a snack. It's a full house in the library. This was Tag Hill Reception, the first place where I ever entered in the campus. This is where you get all your adventures sorted for students. Then we have beautiful gardens and ducks and water and fountains, everything in the campus. It's just such a beautiful place. Accommodation is also amazing. The university provides a lot of student accommodation with laundry services, Wi-Fi, water, kitchen, every possible thing that you want. Right next to it is the student union where you get all the student support and help. Then I'm walking to my favorite spot in the campus, which is sitting in the bench on the park next to the lake and grabbing my quick lunch. I chatted with my friends and saw a lot of ducks walking in the water. And then I went, because it was an open day on Sunday, a lot of students and parents were coming in and checking the university out. This world-class building that you're seeing is the Surrey Business School, and there is this lakeside restaurant, which is also hospitality and tourism class. I think this is the class where they learn, and it looked beautiful. You can also grab a quick lunch here. And then I'm walking towards my favorite part of the campus, which is my classroom. This is where sustainable development goals are discussed, everything about environment, environmental management, and world-class researchers and people sit here. I quickly completed my assignment and then left for the university library. This is the place where you can silently sit and study. You can chat with your friends. There are multiple small rooms created. And this is me doing my favorite work, completing my assignment again. And then this is a bird's eye view of the silent room because there was nobody other than me. And then I quickly grabbed a last coffee at the Hideout Cafe. There are multiple cafes at the campus. You can check them out. And then there were a lot of merchandise put up because it was an open day, I guess. And yeah, I'm going to grab a sweatshirt for myself as well.